Hello friends, Happy Christmas and Happy New Year. A surprise gift inside. SQL School wishes you all a Happy Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let the new year ensures peace and prosperity in all of us. At SQL School, we are into Microsoft courses, SQL Server programming, SQL DBA, Power BI, and Azure, data engineering, Fabric, and other courses that includes Oracle, Python, Snowflake, Postgres, and more. Myself, Sai Fanindra from SQL School, over 18 years of technical expertise completely on Microsoft technologies. I would be the caretaker. I would be the only trainer for these Microsoft courses. And other courses being rendered by, serviced by my colleagues and few of my well-wishers, certified real-time professionals. So no compromise in our subject delivery and subject matter expert SME level activities right from the scratch. At SQL School, we have been here for more than 18 years, completely into technical trainings, corporate trainings, working with various MNCs across the globe. And pertaining to Microsoft technologies, on my screen, we'll start from the scratch, right from the basics of SQL. From there, you decide whether to proceed for developer side, green box, or BI, Azure BI, business intelligence, or administration, DBA side. Now, what does each box include? Let's concentrate on cloud, and there we have Azure data engineering, data factory, data lake, data bricks, Python ETL. Python programming is a separate 1.5 month course for us. We are into Python ETL from scratch in data engineering. Synapse, role-based access control, also called Entra, Microsoft Entra, key vaults, big data, IoT, and so on. We have Power BI, a 1 month course, and Fabrics, another 1 month course we have right now. To get into the details, we have Azure Data Engineering, a 7 weeks program which is more into big data and analytics engineering, ETL, extract, transform, load, and data warehousing. Power BI is completely into reporting, dashboarding, and big data analytics. Fabrics includes both engineering and Power BI, both activities clubbed together. To make it, to define it technical, core data engineering is into back end, left side. Power BI is into front end, right side. As a data engineer would be involved in ETL. We extract data from various sources, use something called notebooks, pipelines, synapse, etc., and mash up the data, format the data, get your data cleaned, and load it to a historical data store, aggregated data store called warehouse. We have open source warehouse and Azure warehouse. I'll be shortly making a separate video exclusively on these differences and the need for data lake in between. It's all about back end, front end for BI, big data. If someone is looking for administration, DBA, then the learning path, SQL with core DBA, core means your non-cloud DBA, then step into cloud DBA. The number you see on the top right is actually the DP300 examination from Microsoft for DBA. So someone don't want to go for big data and cloud data engineering, someone don't want to go for administration, then we have another option for you, business analyst. Yes, starting point would be data analyst, SQL, TSQL, and Power BI. From there we have senior data analyst, say 1.5 2 years experience profile. Then comes business analyst or statistical analytics, mathematical activities, and Tableau. For data analyst, there is a certification from Microsoft called PL300. Complete guidance part of our course. So here PL300 is only for Power BI and SQL. Data engineer is for DP203. Data engineer plus Power BI together we have DP500. So DBA DP300, data engineer Power BI big data Azure BI DP500. S. And we have other one Snowflake. Someone wanted to concentrate on open source technologies like Snowflake. Yes, we have a course for them. Difference between a Microsoft data engineer and Snowflake. Snowflake is completely into data warehouse with SQL, Python, script based ETL. Some kind of, I cannot say coding, but scripting is involved. You want more user interface, more friendly user environment than data engineering, data factory. Data engineer, Azure data engineer also involved in something called database and pools, warehouses, but lot more user interface components in Azure compared to Snowflake. The combination always works good. Reason: few companies opt for Snowflake as a backend, and instead of using these two, they prefer to use this data factory and or Databricks and PySpark. So Snowflake plus data factory, additionally Databricks, is a usual preferred resume choice. But again, based on our client, project, and our job role, things would change, as you know. So my recommendation would be safe side job role always. Go for SQL, Snowflake, data engineer. Learn them slowly, step by step, completely, so that we can handle any kind of activity at our job desk. To make it clear once again, we have various job roles for upskilling our resume, and here we are working on Azure BI is equal to data engineer plus Power BI, or core DBA plus SQL DBA, or third one data analyst and business analyst. Fourth one, we have the Snowflake. So four things. Number one, to make it more clear and straight, we have number one, Azure BI. That includes Azure Data Engineer plus Power BI, or Data Analyst. That includes Power BI and Python Analytics. Here it is, data engineering includes Python ETL. This is Python Analytics. Both have some variation in terms of examples, our actual case studies, project work, and job orientation. Then comes advanced Excel, and so on. Or the other one, we have SQL DBA. It includes core DBA plus Azure DBA, database administration. All these are specific to Microsoft. Non-Microsoft, you have Snowflake. Either Snowflake developer, only Snowflake database, or Snowflake engineer, Snowflake database plus all ingredients you see in the diagram. So it is Snowflake plus Azure data engineering. So there are total 4 different upskill options. and you may plan to proceed level by level. For example, first level data engineer. As you gain experience, you add Power BI to it. Same way, first level Power BI. As you gain experience, you have data analyst to it. Same way, core and then Azure or Snowflake first, later Azure data engineer next. or or the other option, you may start with core SQL server only, but core SQL server programming profiles nowadays, many companies are expecting even Python programming also. So if you are fond of programming, you may do SQL. In such a case, the list would be in this way. In such a case, the list would be, in case if you are planning for programming, then you have the list in this way. Developer, SQL developer. This includes SQL Server T-SQL developer, development activities, then Python programming. So these are the common and preferred combinations for our resume. Choice is yours. Stick to one and proceed from there carefully. Stick to one particular item, either BI or analyst or admin or Snowflake or developer. Stick to it and explore more in the same area, and explore all possible linked or whatever components that can be coordinated. For example, Snowflake, you can coordinate with Azure data engineering. You may also add Power BI to the list later point of time, because Power BI is a common reporting tool. So this way, try to get your resume very carefully, cautiously, and our new year 2024, I wish you all success. Please wish me the same in the comment box. Yes, I need your support. We need your wishes. And a small token of thanks for watching this video, for your benefit and my benefit. Yes, let's benefit each other. And I love SQL coupon code valid until Jan 4th for 20% off on all our courses at our SQL school. Perhaps the first time in our entire all these years of training, we are coming with some discount coupon. It's not like we don't want to all these years. No, it's not like that. We are completely into technical part, and we are fine with our references all these years. Now, first time we thought, okay, why don't we do something more, bit beyond the box, back to our learners? Hence, a small discount coupon. Discount coupon is small, but the number is used 20%. And let's make it until Jan 4th. Stay tuned. Let's learn what all we can in our course. Let's make sure there is no compromise in what we learn as per our registered course and its proximity of the curriculum. Coming to the projects, yes, we are very cautious on the real world projects for our resume. No second thought. To learn more about the projects, you may contact us, you may contact me directly on my number. I can provide you complete information about the project. We have separate set of videos on what the project is, how it is going to help us for each of the courses. We are very keen about it. And you may reach our team for a free demo. Thank you so much. And when reaching our team, don't forget to quote the coupon code. I love SQL Jan 4. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you once again. See you soon in our classes. Thank you once again. Bye bye. Take care.